Hello viewers, how are you? So today we will discuss about the world map bags for ladies ideas and designs. So first of all, we will discuss about the some best world map gifts ideas you cannot go wrong with. Are you looking for the perfect gift for your friend or family member who loves traveling more than anything else? If yes, you are in the right place. Buying a unique gift for a travel lover is not always easy, but lucky for you, there is one thing you can't go wrong with map themed gifts. And I collected some pictures of best world map gift ideas from wooden maps to map themed and covers pieces of jewelry and various home decor items. You will be surprised how many cool map themed products are on the market. So go ahead, check out the list below, and I am sure you will find the perfect gift for the map lover in your life. The world map bags with the most amazing world map gift you could ever get for someone. 3D world map. Although you can find many different dupes on the market, the original design belongs to enjoy. Each map is handmade from bridge and it comes many different sizes and colors. You can choose from natural wooden colors to yellow, blue, aqua, berry, or even bubblegum colors, so everyone can find their favorite color combination. It is also possible to choose from different packages. You can either order your map blank or you can opt for the basic package that contains the name of the countries and the states. It is wanted to know to map like this since forever, and we finally decided to buy this bag. We hope you enjoyed this video. Like this video, share this video, subscribe. Thanks for watching.